Good morning, everyone. I, Ashi Agarwal, with my cameraman Pari Chaudhary, reporting from Delhi Public School, Bijnor. Today, there was a workshop on good touch and bad touch. So let's talk some student about this workshop. But hello, everyone.
Hello, Didi.
How was the workshop?
Very good.
What was the workshop about?
Good touch and bad touch.
What did you learn from it?
Good touch is good, safe, and bad touch is unsafe touch.
And what did you learn?
Never hide anything from parents.
Say no loudly.
Thank you.